Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chili and garlic pickle. So let's get started.
I've got here 4 tablespoons of ready pickle mix. This is what it looks like and you can get it from any Indian shop. 8 cloves of thinly sliced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin and mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, golf ball sized tamarind, 1/2 cup of oil, 1 1/4 cups of hot water, and 6 large chilies. You will also need a glass jar to store your pickles after you have made them. Take a dish, add tamarind and water, and put it aside to soak. Cut the chilies into large pieces. Remove all the seeds and the white bit and put them in a dish. I've finished cutting up all my chilies. Now it's time to make our chili pickle. Place a pot on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds and asafoetida or hing. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add garlic, chilies and salt. Give it a mix, cover it and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it twice. After 5 minutes, add pickle mix, give it a mix, put a lid on, leaving a small gap, lower the heat and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it frequently to stop the spices from burning. While the chilies are cooking, get the tamarind water ready by squeezing the tamarind and water together. After 5 minutes, add tamarind water using a strainer and use the back of a spoon to squeeze any extra pulp. Give it a mix, put a lid on, leaving a small gap, increase the heat to medium and cook it for 10 minutes or until the water has dried up and the oil has separated, stirring it frequently. Turn the heat off, take it out in a dish and let it cool down completely. My chili and garlic pickle has cooled down completely. Transfer it into a glass jar or sealed container. Keep it in the fridge and serve it to family and friends. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.